For those who don't know the rank equivalent, that's the Major General. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So, I'm from Lille. I want to appreciate you people for all you've been doing, in securing my town. You guys have been fantastic.
Yes, sir.
So I want to also implore that you continue the good work. Although we get some complaints from time to time. Okay, I don't know. Igbo should go ahead. Okay, good. So, like your relationship, we uniform people are ambassadors to our various services. I hope you people are aware.
Yes, sir.
So that conduct is very, very important. You people maintain it. You are co-located with the church. Although from time to time we get some complaints, but please try as much as possible to avoid having any conflict with the church. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Take your security very, very seriously. Because security is everybody's business, including us. Don't allow these bad boys to take you unawares. So that's why you have to be prepared all the time. And on our own part, we will always support you people with whatever you need, as long as you let us know on time. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so well done, gentlemen.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Maybe my Igbo will want to.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you, gentlemen. The gallant soldiers and all the security operatives, the police. I know it's a combined team. And the Igbo of this community, I know many of you have not seen me before. It is not accidental. Number one is that the opportunity has not created itself for me to be here. But today, it is my pleasure to be with you all. And I've been hearing of the good work you guys have been doing. I know you are fantastic.
Thank you.
You know your job. But one thing is that when somebody tells you that you are doing well in anything, what it calls for is that you have to do better.
My people, the man you just heard as I learned is a general from Lille. Now, this is not just about Lille, because what I'm about to say is also happening in Okigwe, in Afaram Bitoli, in Omoaka, and all these communities where these boys have camps. You wonder how a community like Lille, that has a general, would allow their place to be taken over by this people. Imagine how many years they are saying the general has not been able to come home because people abandoned their civic responsibilities. They abandoned what they should be. Every single person, except you are not a person of value or importance. What attaches importance to your name, title, or what have you, whatever differentiates you from the general society, is your civic responsibility. Now you're telling me that a general couldn't go to his village for years, 4, 5, 6 years, because of this bunch of criminals. Imagine Butuzo being in control of Ebonese when they have a general in Lille, and I'm sure the other communities also have their own generals too, or admirals, or maybe AIGs and DIGs in the police. And you wonder, just because most of them is because they don't want to be called names. Some people would rather be called good people than doing good. Let me explain to you now. Many of them know that this is not going anywhere, but because they don't want to be called Emmanuel Ifajuna. And these guys, they understand how emotionally weak our people are. Then nobody wants to be called names. Imagine allowing a bunch of useless fools having you in double binding. Damn if you do, damn if you don't. If you talk, they say you hate your people. If you don't talk, your community will be ruined. It's better you called me a bad name, but let me keep doing the right thing. Call me whatever you like. See why people like us did not give in to this rubbish. You can't tell me people will come from outside and build camps in your place without people from your place allowing them. And majority of the people they buy are people that used to support them in 2020 and before 2020. So you people allowed your place to be taken over. You see all these regimented services. Believe me, I would not have performed well there. I would not have survived there. Because me, I no go be soldier, carry gun, they protect you go come there, they talk to me. Wait, I know my job. You don't need to preach to me. My file. Query go down plenty. They go down sack me tete. Because me, I no go sit down, they listen to that man, to the general. No, I won't. What were you people doing and you allow these things to be festering this way? But Osita Adebama or the Babu, at least they've woken up to their responsibilities, they've woken up to their duties. I'm sure with the current state of things and events over there, they're not bomb butus or where make it come patrol as in the patrol there before. Now let's see whether people from Asia will wake up. Because now there be the linchpin now. Now there be the latest linchpin. Hopefully, the rest of the communities, Umuaka, Afara, or Kigwe, the uniformed personnel there will rise up and do their duties. It's not difficult to solve this issue. I don't know when we descended to this, we degenerated to this level. We are a bunch of criminals who feel emboldened to do whatever they like. Me, from the one now I talk and beat my chest to talk and they no burn anybody to put camp for Mudraman. Then you see my maternal home. You know why I allow them? Make them hear them very well because no kind one way they don't receive. No kind one why I no see they I no give them. They allow people to come put them, come the ones who not try no as it be now. On a no as it be. No be to they make noise to go on social media they make noise. If them born your useless, they don't born your now they can't useless mama. Why I not saying they hear me. More send the video to them. Send down to them. Tell them say Shebi before he know how he be. Oh, the person where that Abuja make it go in play because they go put one nonsense camp there. It lasts how long? Put another one. This is the mindset we need. It's better they call you a bad person, but do the right thing than being called a good person and you allow evil to fester in your land.